Today, we're going to read one of my very favorite books to read at springtime. It's called The Lorax by Dr. Seuss. At the far end of town, where the grickle grass grows, and the wind smells slow and sour when it blows, and no birds ever sing excepting old crows, is the street of the lifted Lorax.
Frog. What is that? What is this? Sun. Bird. Very nice. Honeybee. What's the sound made by honeybee? Where do you find honeybees? In the garden, right? At flowers. It sucks the honey from the flower. Okay, next. Leaf. When wind blows, what will happen to the leaf? It will around.
Swim.
Yes? No. Say bird. The bird flies high in the sky. The bird flies high. Yes.
Gonna do a nature freeze dance, won't you dance with me? Nature freeze dance, swing from a tree. Nature freeze dance out in the woods. Nature freeze dance, it's all good and free.